Hi, my name is Aleš and I'm the founder of Scrollsequence. Finally, after more than a year in development, I want to invite you to test the new version and let me know what you think. The new version of the plugin allows you to combine animated 3D model with image sequence. Those images have actually been generated by AI from a single image. And you can do the same for any product or object that you want to animate and use on your website. I've prepared for you a step-by-step instructions how you can turn a simple image taken on your phone and convert it using the plugin right inside WordPress into a immersive full-screen scroll-controlled animation like this. This is not just an update, but a complete rewrite of the plugin. We can now change the parameters in Gutenberg editor and immediately see the effects. We can generate animations and attach them to various events. We can also generate the inner blocks for the containers or generate complete animations for the inner blocks. If you want to try the new version, just click on the button, enter your email, and I'll send you instructions. I'm building this for you, and your feedback will help me build it right.